Hi, I'm Jason Bonello from Wide International, and today I've got the latest innovation thanks to DAB pumps. Now this may look like a coffee machine or sound system, but don't be fooled. This is the latest in pressure boosting systems thanks to DAB. DAB is an Italian company for 50 years who specialise in water pressure boosting systems, and they introduced the EasyLine range 10 years ago, and this is the latest product of that innovation. Thanks to its small and compact design, this is perfect for smaller homes and apartment buildings. It has a number of features which are perfect for any home today. This includes power shower. At the touch of a button, you can simply pressure boost the shower for 30 minutes, ensuring constant pressure water boosting. Then you have quiet mode, which allows it to go into a lower RPM speed, ensuring that quiet peace of night as the pump is running. And thirdly, holiday mode. Holiday mode allows you, when you're on holidays, for the pump to run at a lower speed, ensuring that the energy bill is less on this pump. But that's not all. It also has integrated Wi-Fi connectivity. Thanks to the H2D app, you can control the pump from anywhere in the world. It also gives you the ability to check your energy, water consumption, as well as gives you a log of any errors and reporting tools to make this the perfect pump solution for your installation today. One of the great accessories for the EsyBox Pop is the Easy Wall Pop. This allows the pump to be installed off the floor, perfect for any installations whereby you might have flooding. Another great accessory for the EsyBox Pop is the Easy Dock Pop. This is perfect whereby you can service the pump or replace the pump without any plumbing required. It even comes with its own level. What are you waiting for? Speak to a local authorised international dealer in Australia or New Zealand about the latest in pump water pressure boosting thanks to DAB.